Hey guys, what's going on? Joe Mills here for you, and I am in downtown Richmond, Virginia. In fact, I am staring at one of the Amtrak stations right now. We are here in downtown Richmond, Virginia because, well, as you just saw in the last clip, the last video, the wall project got kind of screwed up. The surveyors, when they gave us our bottom of wall measurements, they did it so from the civil drawing instead of the architectural. So the architectural is actually all the wall detail and everything. They did it from the civil, which is the finished product. And when they gave us the bottom of wall, it's actually finished grade. So the wall is actually supposed to be buried 3 feet lower, or 2.76 feet lower than where we have it. So the surveyors are out there at that site right now getting that all squared away. And we are in downtown Richmond, Virginia, helping another RSG crew out on a brickscaping job at 17th Street. So come on, let's go in and take a look. And thanks for joining. Let's landscape together. Hey, what's up, amigo? Hey, don't hide. So here's our current project, doing a brickscape.
Hey, what are you doing with that? Yeah, I'm the boss here. Get your ass back to work.
No, it's for my project for school. I film YouTube videos of everything I'm doing. I have a channel and everything. Yeah. I got 368 subscribers.
369 now. Give me
Yeah.
Give me
So we just finished what we could of this brick walkway, and we got all the way down to the end of where it is finished. I'm going to be mixing more cement and helping these guys with the next section over here. We'll see, we might be able to get it all done, we might not. But I'll be sure to bring you guys along.